Hi, I'm Claudia from cake4three. Today we will make the decoration for the cake we did with microwave. I will put the link in the description to that tutorial. Super fast cake in 5 minutes. As 5 minutes, you will need to decorate this cake in very simple but nice way. You will find doses and ingredients in the description. Remember that, as usual, the whipping cream must be very cold from the fridge, especially when it's hot like today. It's better to also cool the bowl in which you will whip it, if you can. Let's start by cutting the cake in height. As you can see, to be able to go straight, I don't cut too much with the knife, but I rotate the base several times, cutting more and more. I lift the upper part with spatulas and knives. I'm in my beach house today, and I don't have my usual equipment. Now I whip the cream. I keep some aside to use it to make tufts with the piping bag. When the cream is whipped, I put it back in the fridge. Vegetable cream is more resistant than milk cream, but it is still delicate. In the meantime, use the syrup made with fruit juice and water in equal parts. I had some mango juice at home, so I used that. I give it a good soak, because the bases made in the microwave tend to dry out, even if I kept it wrapped in plastic film. Then I pour a generous layer of jam. I had a delicious strawberry jam at home that a friend gave me, so it was an opportunity to use it. Actually, to be correct, I should say strawberry compote. I pour the cream on top and level it. Don't worry, it doesn't have to be precise. Then I put the upper part of the cake base back on top. I push it a little so that it is horizontal. Then I wet the upper part too. Finally, I put some cream, also the upper part of the cake, and put it in the fridge. In the meantime, I whip the remaining cream until stiff. I put a tip inside the piping bag and I dirty it with red gel. This way, the cream will have uneven colors as it comes out. I put in the whipped cream. I start making small tufts, distributing them widely so that I have space to add the more colored parts of the cream. Finally, I add the meringues. Be careful, these tend to soften when they come into contact with the cream, so add them just before serving. Obviously, if you use strawberries to decorate, you won't have this problem. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please click on the like below or subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you are interested in more content of this type, and eventually what you would like to see. If you know anybody interested in this type of content, feel free to share. Thank you again and stay tuned for my next videos.